In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Grok AI subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when you confirm the cancellation, so you can turn off auto renew with confidence. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. Make sure you're signed in to the account that currently has the subscription. If you use multiple logins, double check you're on the right one to avoid confusion later. Once you're on the Grok homepage, look for the settings option. Depending on your screen size, this may appear under your profile picture or in a menu in the upper right corner. Click Settings to open your account controls. This is where Grok links you to billing and plan details. Inside Settings, find and click Manage. Think of Manage as the doorway to your subscription and payment information. When you click it, you may be redirected to the secure account portal. That's expected. In the account portal, select Subscription. This section shows your current plan, your renewal date, and any active add-ons tied to your Grok access. If the interface switches to an accounts page hosted by the service provider, don't worry. That's normal, and it's the correct place to adjust billing. Next, click Manage again on your active plan to open the detailed billing view. Here, you'll see the levers for changing or canceling your plan, along with pricing and next charge information, so you know exactly what will happen when you proceed. Now look for the SuperGrok section. If you're currently subscribed, you'll see a cancel option here. Click Cancel, and a confirmation pop-up will appear. Read the message carefully. It typically explains that canceling stops future auto renewals and lets you keep access until the end of your current billing period. Confirm the cancellation to complete it. After confirming, the page should reflect that your plan won't renew, and your next charge will be set to 0. If you don't see a cancel button, there are a few likely reasons. You might not be signed into the account that holds the subscription, or the plan may already be inactive.